everyone, I'm Anna Agra. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year to everyone. It's the new year, new hair, new gear, and new video. This is actually my first video for the year 2020, and on this video, I'll be showing you how to do the crunches.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Crunches is an abdominal exercise where you lift your upper body slightly off the ground. Yes, you will not lift your whole body up because that's sit-up. That's a different workout, a different video for you. And according to the dictionary and thesaurus, crunch is synonymous to beat, crush, and grind. And that's basically the main goal of crunches. We will beat, crush, and grind that abs or tummy. Crunches will help you strengthen and tone up that abs or tummy. And crunch requires no equipment. It requires no equipment. All you need for this is just a yoga mat. If you don't have any yoga mat, any flat surface will do. And for added resistance, you can use your weight belts, dumbbells, kettlebells, and resistance band. It's all up to you. So are you ready? Let's get started. So how to do the crunches? Here are the 5 easy steps. Number 1, lie on your back. Number 2, bend your knees. Knees are either apart or close together. Feet flat on the floor. Your arms, either you cross in front of you or behind your head. Number 4, lift your head and your shoulder blades slightly off the ground. And pause for 2 seconds. And lastly, slowly return to the starting position and then repeat. And that's how you do the crunches. Only a reminder, keep your neck relaxed. Pretend as if you have a ball or an apple here. And tighten your abs, squeeze it, and don't forget to breathe in and breathe out as you move up and down. And that's how you do the crunches. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please stay tuned on my next video. I'll be doing the variations of crunches. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Or you can send me a private message on my Facebook or Instagram. Feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye.